Hello everyone, it's me, Jimmy, and welcome back to the Satoshi chase and back to the charts. After a weekend of screaming engines, overpriced hot dogs, and watching cars fly past without knowing who's winning, I'm home. The F1 race, incredible. The family time, even better. But I won't lie, watching a single seaters zip past at 300 kilometers per hour and only seeing a corner of the track reminded me a lot of crypto. Fast moves, no context. Suwana did just that, made a little pump while I was away, and by the time I looked again, it was already cooling off. No new trades today, just watching, waiting, because in racing and investing, timing beats speed. As you can see, our positions are still red, all of them, but we are not ready to open additional ones because we either want to close in profit or wait to see a bigger dip in the price so we can reassess our entry price or decrease lower our break-even price. I would like to check our current um, assets value, and it's sitting at $110.72, which is okay. We do have a few losing days, but all of them are so negligible that I don't want to comment on them even, but it's okay. A few cents down is really okay. We can see that our average profit is more than 40 cents and our average loss is around 2 cents. So the difference here is okay. I mean, it won't hurt our portfolio so much, and our winning days are much more, at least 2 times more than our losing days. But now let's talk about something wild. Formula One is not just a sport, it's a money machine. Teams like Mercedes, Red Bull, and Ferrari spend hundreds of millions every year on development, logistics, data analysis, and engineering talent. In fact, the average F1 team budget is between $140 and $3 million per season. That's more than many publicly traded companies generate in a revenue. But here's the kicker. Even with all this spending, success isn't guaranteed. It's about where you spend, when you spend, and how you adapt to the ever-changing conditions. Sound familiar? Trading works the same way. You can throw money into a hot coin or chase the latest trend, but if your timing is off or you're not building around a core strategy, you will burn fuel for nothing. Let's take the concept of the pit stop. In F1, it's not about avoiding stops. It's about making the right stop at the right time to gain long-term position. In trading, we often hesitate to stop, to pause, reassess, hold back from the urge to trade just for the sake of doing something. But just like a smart pit stop wins races, a well-timed pause in trading can save your capital and even set you up for the next breakout. Here's an F1 fact you might like. In 2016, Williams Racing executed a pit stop in 1.92 seconds, the fastest ever recorded. But that wasn't luck, that was planning, precision, and patience. No panicking, no rushing, just a flawless move at the exact right time. In trading, we often want to do something, but sometimes the highest impact move is to wait. Let the market come to you, let the conditions become clear, and then, when it's time, strike like an F1 team ready for a 2-second stop. So for now, we wait. No need to force a trade just to feel active. The real edge isn't in speed, it's in discipline. back to the charts, back to the grind. The race isn't over, it hasn't even started yet. And that's all from me. See you in the next one. Peace.